Hey there, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many SAS users face when working with SGPLOT. So let's dive right into it. In this problem, the SGPLOT code is not displaying the asterisk symbol in the correct color as defined in the code. It's showing up as light green instead of blue, which can be quite frustrating for users trying to visualize their data accurately. But fret not, we have a solution to this problem. By adjusting the way the data is created and specifying the marker color in the matters dataset, we can ensure that the symbol color displays correctly. It's important to pay attention to these details to avoid any discrepancies in your visualizations. To implement the solution, make sure to recreate the matters dataset with the proper marker color values. By specifying the colors accurately and using marker color instead of fill color, you can ensure that the symbols show up in the correct colors as intended. Once you have made these adjustments, run your SGPLOT code again with the updated matters dataset. You should now see the asterisk symbol displaying in the correct color, in this case, blue as specified in the code. This small change can make a big difference in the overall presentation of your scatter plot. And there you have it. The problem of the incorrect symbol color in your SGPLOT code has been resolved. Remember, paying attention to the details and making small adjustments can go a long way in improving the accuracy of your data visualizations. I hope you found this video helpful in solving this common issue in SAS. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment with your favorite SAS tip. Until next time, happy coding.